Hey burger lovers, ready to make the best burger? We're talking juicy, flavorful, and cooked to perfection. In this guide, we'll cover everything. From choosing the right beef to grilling like a pro, I've got you covered. Get ready for burger bliss. Let's dive in and get cooking. The foundation of any amazing burger? Top-notch ingredients. First, the star 80-20 ground chuck. This means it's 80% lean beef and 20% fat. The fat equals flavor and juiciness. Next, we need a binder. Some folks use breadcrumbs, but I prefer an egg yolk. It helps the patty hold its shape while cooking. Salt and pepper are essential. Don't be shy, season generously. Now let's talk toppings. But first, we need to build that perfect patty. Forming the patty is crucial. Don't overwork the meat. Gently shape it into a ball. Now make a dimple in the center with your thumb. This prevents the burger from plumping up like a football while cooking. Aim for patties about 3/4 inch thick. This ensures a juicy burger with a nice crust. Remember, handle the meat as little as possible. The more you work it, the tougher it gets. Let's cook. Section 4. Grill or stovetop. The age-old question of how to cook the perfect burger has sparked many debates among food enthusiasts. The battle of the burger. Each method has its own unique advantages and can yield delicious results if done correctly. Grilling imparts a smoky flavor, which many people find irresistible. The high heat of the grill sears the outside of the burger, creating a delicious crust while keeping the inside juicy. But a stovetop works wonders too. Cooking on a stovetop, especially with a cast iron skillet, allows for precise temperature control and even cooking. This method can also produce a beautifully seared crust. For grilling, preheat your grill to high heat. Whether you're using a gas or charcoal grill, this step is crucial for achieving that perfect sear. Sear the patty for 2 to 3 minutes per side. This initial high heat will lock in the juices and create a flavorful crust. Then, lower the heat and cook to your desired doneness. This method ensures that the burger cooks evenly without burning the outside. If you're using a stovetop, heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. The cast iron retains heat well, making it perfect for cooking burgers. Cook the patty for 3 to 4 minutes per side. This will give you a nice, even cook and a delicious crust. No matter your method, use a meat thermometer to ensure the perfect internal temperature. This is the best way to avoid undercooking or overcooking your burger. For medium rare, aim for 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range will give you a burger that is juicy and flavorful with a slightly pink center. Once your burger is cooked to perfection, it's time to assemble. Add your favorite toppings, whether it's classic lettuce, tomato, and cheese, or something more adventurous like avocado or fried egg. Serve your burger with a side of fries or a fresh salad, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Whether you prefer the smoky flavor of a grilled burger or the precise control of a stovetop burger, the most important thing is to enjoy the process and the delicious result. Section 5. Building your burger. A symphony of flavors and textures. A great burger is all about balance. It's not just about piling ingredients together, it's about creating a harmonious blend of flavors and textures that complement each other. You want creamy, crunchy, tangy, and savory elements. Each bite should be an experience, a journey through different tastes and sensations. Start with a toasted bun. The toasting process not only adds a nice crunch but also brings out a subtle nutty flavor in the bread. This adds a nice crunch. The texture of the bun is the first thing you notice when you take a bite, so make sure it's perfect. Spread some mayo or mustard on the bottom. These condiments add a creamy texture and a tangy flavor that pairs well with the savory patty. Add your cooked patty. Then, pile on your favorite toppings. This is where you can get creative and personalize your burger. Cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, each ingredient adds its own unique flavor and texture. Pickles. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget the sauces. They can elevate your burger to new heights. Ketchup, BBQ sauce. Each sauce brings its own unique flavor profile, or a special burger sauce can take it to the next level. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect symphony of flavors and textures. Section 6. Burger Pro Tips. Elevate your burger game. Want to impress your taste buds even more? Try these tips. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, these pro tips will take your burger game to the next level. First, chill your patties before cooking. This simple step can make a world of difference. Chilling helps them hold their shape better when they hit the grill, ensuring a perfect patty every time. Next, resist the urge to press down on the patties while cooking. Pressing down squeezes out the juices, leaving you with a dry burger. Let the patties cook undisturbed for maximum juiciness. After cooking, add a pat of butter to the pan or grill. This creates a rich and flavorful sauce that will elevate your burger to gourmet status. Now you're ready to create burger magic. Assemble your burger with your favorite toppings and enjoy the delicious results. What are your go-to burger toppings? Do you prefer classic lettuce, tomato, and cheese, or do you like to get creative with avocado, bacon, or even a fried egg? Share your favorites in the comments below. We can't wait to see what delicious combinations you come up with.